Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Indigo Mastercard. The Indigo Platinum Mastercard is designed for people with less than perfect credit who want an unsecured card without a security deposit. It's easy to apply for and you can check if you qualify with no impact on your credit score. The card reports all the three major credit bureaus, which helps with building or rebuilding credit. However, the card comes with high cost. Annual fees can range from $0 to nearly $200, and the interest rate is very high, usually around 35.9%. It doesn't offer rewards like cashback, and credit limits are typically low, often starting at $300. Many users report issues like poor customer service, random account closures, and long delays in payments being processed. Some people have even said their card were declined for small purchases or never arrived at all despite paying the fee. The card does include standard MasterCard protection like fraud coverage, but those benefits don't make up for the high fees and risks. Overall, the Indigo Mastercard might help build credit if used carefully, but it's expensive and frustrating for many, and better options exist. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.